Now, authorities in Hong Kong are working with different stakeholders to mitigate the growing housing challenges in the country. In recent years, housing prices have also been significantly increasing, leaving citizens worried about the situation. Amid this compounding situation, stakeholders, including housing developers, are mapping out strategies to deal with the foreseeable future housing challenges. Here's more details of that in this report.
According to the latest official data provided by the Housing Bureau, more than 1.4 million households live in private housing, taking up 55% of total households by the first quarter of 2022. Tom Chen has been working with developers to promote properties in Hong Kong, and he shares his observation of the current housing market.
One-bedroom and two-bedroom units are more suitable for most people. They're more popular. It is geared towards families. Younger generations are the main buyers of the studios.
The latest official data show on Tuesday that Hong Kong private home prices eased in May, with potential home buyers growing wary over possible increases in mortgage rates.
If we compare it to pre-2019, housing prices haven't seen a huge increase, but some regions have witnessed an increase. Locals are in love with some new places, such as Lohas Park. The housing market there has observed an increase of 30% in pricing in the past 3 years.
We're on the top flat of a property in Kowloon's To Kwa Wan. Far behind me is Hong Kong Island, packed with skyscrapers and expensive places to live. But here in Kowloon, private developed buildings are scattered with old renovated ones mixed together. But not many are able to afford them, so they turn to public housing. On average, those applying for these houses can wait as long as 6 years.
We are facing a city center that is packed. We have raised our concerns about supply issues again because we want to put efforts into developing new areas. We need to ensure the transportation network and relevant facilities, such as working opportunities and schools. We need to attract them to the newly developed areas to solve fundamental problems.
According to official data, public green spaces actually account for up to 40% of the total land, with most residents living in only 1/4 of the city's land. Officials say they will continue to look for land and work on reclamation.
As you can see, we work hard on the supply side. We find and make land, but it is a long process for reclamation. We haven't stocked up on land to build residential housing. We work on reclamation in preparation for future public and private development land. We are trying to catch up.
Wong says the current policies has encouraged and assisted those in public housing to purchase a home if they are capable of doing so. The Housing Authority will continue to work on speeding up the process of offering public housing with plans already laid out for the next 10 years.